my name's Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to make flourishing shapes in Illustrator. First thing I'm going to do is, on the right side, you're going to have your expand panel, which will have your alternate options from just your regular toolbar. So I'm going to select the brushes panel, and if you don't have the brushes panel, you can always just go to Window and Brushes. And so in this brush option on the right side, there's the open brush library, and there's a bunch of series of brushes that you can really choose from. I'm going to choose the Elegant Curl and Floral brush set because we're doing some flourishing shapes. And so what you can do now is select your brush you're interested in and just start making some shapes. And I'm using the paintbrush tool, which is on the regular toolbar. And the reason I'm doing this is because it gives me a little bit more flexibility than the pen tool or the pencil tool, just so that you can get the shape that you actually want. And I'm actually going to change these brushes in just a minute. I'm just drawing you some shapes to give you an example of what we're doing here. So then you can select the mark you've made, and you can select a whole new brush if you want. So I'm going to choose a couple of different ones. And these all come with Photoshop, so you can, Illustrator, so that way you can get a sense for what this program has to offer. I'll just pick a couple different cool ones here. And you can also change the color too if you're interested. And one thing to really keep your mind on is when you're using the paintbrush tool, it's not always gonna just give you this little option over here, which is to have your line weight or your stroke to be colored and your fill color not filled. So for example, you might get this little number, which is what I've often had some common errors with, and this is just not what you want. So always remember just to, on the far right, just click the none button, so that way it doesn't fill in, so you really have the line that you want and not extra color in there. So we're going to change the color of this real quick, and I'll just make it a blue color. And that's pretty much it. You just can make all sorts of, and you can really be really creative with what you make with this awesome little paintbrush tool, and you can make some really cool shapes. My name's Alex, and this is how to make flourishing shapes in Illustrator. Thank you very much.